Hi beautiful people, Cain here. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also to click the bell icon down below so that you'll be notified each time there's a brand new upload. So if you're already a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So in today's video guys, I'll be schooling you, I'll be educating you, I'll be tutoring you on how to achieve a colorful three-toned eyeshadow. By three-tone I mean I'll be using three colors to achieve a perfect blend of an colorful eyeshadow. So I'll be using three different colorful eyeshadows and blending them together, infusing them together to give us a beautiful illusion of rather, let me say, a sunset or a colorful eyeshadow or something that is very colorful and nice. Imagine something that's, for example, like a rainbow, which is very colorful and it has different colors, but it's mesmerizing to see, if you get what I mean. So that's what we're gonna achieve today. So I'll be schooling you. So buckle up, chill, and watch me do this for you guys, guiding you step by step on how to achieve such eyeshadow look. So guys, without further ado, let me quickly go and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back to school you. So I'll prep my eyes, my eyelids, which is my eyelids off camera. I'll be putting my concealer. I like prepping my eyes with concealer. Then I'll be back for us to do thing on camera, guys. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into it. To use this eyeshadow palette right here from Eyeshadow Beauty. It's called Electric Obsessions. That's the eyeshadow palette we're going to use. So my eyelids are prepped, everything is in shape, so I need to use, okay fine, I'll be using these brushes right here. So I need 4 brushes, like a flat brush, a round fluffy brush, I need 2 flat fluffy brushes, a little round fluffy brush, and another big round fluffy brush. So I'll be using this flat fluffy brush to pack this eyeshadow. So I'll be using this color right here. I forgot which color is it, and yellow, and as well as orange. So this color is more like a reddish. I'll be using for my outer corner to deepen. So I'll be picking it with a brush, tap a little bit of excess on the brush, and I'll start to mind you, this product is very creamy, and a little goes a long way. So we start to shape the lines of the eye, shape to our eyeshadow has to sit pretty. Because I have hooded eyes, I pack my eyeshadows like this, because when I open, everything will still be in your view. Everything won't disappear. So if you have hooded eyes, this is a best trick for you. So I'll be grabbing this orange right here, a little bit of it, just a little tiny bit of it, inside. And you pick as well that same color we used the first time, then we start to deepen the edges. Whenever you are putting on your colors, right, you make sure you diffuse them so that they will blend seamlessly. The reason why I start off with the eyeshadow when I'm doing this color The reason why I start off with eyeshadow is there's quite a lot of fallouts, as you can see, which are falling underneath my under eye. So if I put on makeup, like a full face of makeup, right, and I put on eyeshadows, those fallouts will start to cook with the other products, so then they will give you that color which I don't like on my skin, and that won't seem which I don't want to look like a raccoon. So now it's time for me to take that same fluffy brush that I used from that time. So it's more like we need a gradient. So after this color, now as I've said, I'm doing 3-toned color. So I'll start to pick this orange in the center, like so. So what we do not have to use is that blending technique that we see with the using to make every single thing. So after picking like so, I grab my brush, the one that I use at the time to pick this sometimes if I'm not talking, you just have to watch and in terms of focusing and getting everything together. So as you can see, I'm using this eyeshadow to the bleach of my nose to give that illusion of a rose control. So after that color, we are going to grab this yellow color. I don't know which vibes, but it's just I can't say sunset vibes. Maybe, I don't know. Then we grab that orange and we start to diffuse here to blend the areas. As you can see, like these guys, this is how you achieve it. Then we need us some eyeliner. So we grab our eyeliner. smashed. So guys, I smashed a little bit like so, but I'll fix it. But this is how you get like a cute look, right? So guys, I just had to do like a bold thing. So I just had to do like a bold wing like so guys, but you can do the way you want to. You can do anything with your wing the way you feel comfortable, but because I smashed, so I just had to fix it because I have wooded eyes, so when I open I want everything to be in your view, I mean. So guys, let me quickly go and zhuzh up my face and finish off the rest of the face, and I'll come to show you the finished product guys. So guys, this is the finished product. I went on and lined my, as you remembered a few minutes back, I had smudged my eyeliner. As I was eyelining, I smudged my eyeliner. So this is I fixed it right here as you can see. So guys, this is the fixed product of the eyeliner. I then went on and did the other eye off camera, and then placed my eyelashes and did the bottom eyeshadow from the lower lash line, for the lower lash line I mean. And so this is it guys. This is the finished product. I used it up. Lip, I did this lip combo to match with my look. I had to do like a nude lip so that it will match with the rest of the, so that there won't be too much of attention on the face, on the whole of the face, like the mouth and the eyes. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. But before then guys, I want you to remember to give thumbs up to my channel, like and share, which helps the channel quite a lot guys. I love you guys, and I'm leaving you, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye darling.